Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop on the host PC. This is required so the machine accepts incoming connections. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop, and flip the switch to On. Once done, note the PC name exactly as displayed because you will use it to connect. Make sure to allow the feature through Windows Firewall when prompted so network traffic can reach the PC. This prevents common connectivity refusals and saves time later. Next, you configure who can connect and how the network routes to your PC. Add users under Select Users so specific accounts have permission. Use a strong password and preferably a Microsoft account for easier credential handling. Then make the host reachable. Assign a static IP or reserve the DHCP address in your router so the machine keeps the same address. If you must connect over the internet, set port forwarding for TCP 3389 to that IP. Without it, remote clients can't reach your PC. Finally, open the Remote Desktop app on the client, enter the PC name or public IP followed by 3389 if needed, and sign in with the allowed account. Make sure the host network profile is private so file and remote sharing rules apply, and confirm Windows Firewall permits Remote Desktop. If you run into issues, first recheck credentials and that port forwarding and the host IP are correct. Then confirm Windows is up to date. Outdated RDP components or a wrong password are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.